Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will set up Java and then we will create our very first program on Java. So let's start. Open up browser and type this URL java.oracle.com. And we have here in technologies Java SE. Java SE. SE stands for Standard Edition. Click this download. And here we have Java Platform Standard Edition. Click this Java Platform JDK. And now we have options here for Mac and for Windows and for Linux. Download your desired file. Installation process will remain the same for all the platforms. After downloading the file, execute this file. Double click this, click continue, then install, and then close. And you may move this installation package to the trash. Now let's go to the jetbrains.com and here we will download this IntelliJ IDEA. Click this download button and here we have two options, community and ultimate. Download this community version. You may also download this ultimate and get a free trial. After downloading the file, open up terminal and check the Java version. Java has successfully installed. Now let's set up this IntelliJ IDE. Do not import settings. Click continue. And don't send. Choose your theme. And next. Then next. Do not choose any plugin here. Click this start using IntelliJ IDEA. Evaluate for free for 30 days. Create a new project. Select Java. Don't choose anything here. Click next. Then next. Choose a project name and project location. Go to the folder source. Right click, then new, and click this package. Write a package name like nat.xyz.learning. Click OK and then right click new and Java class. create a new Java class, type its name main. Here we will write our first Java code. So public static void main string arguments system.out.println. This is my first line in Java. Now run and then run, choose your file. And here is our result. This is my first line in Java. Let's create a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I less than arguments dot length and I plus plus. And then let's print all of our arguments, input arguments using println method. Execute this and we have this. This is my first line in Java. Let's add input arguments. For this, go to run and choose edit configurations, and in program arguments type hello, it's my code, then click OK button, then execute the code. And here you can see that at index 0 is hello, then 1 it's 2 my and 3 code. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.